What up? It's me. Anyway, I'm playing some fucking Tower of Guns. This is the free game of April. You know, I have PS Plus. And you know, I heard of this game before. Price from Stump played this game before. Oh, you know, I'm gonna try to do something a little different. Since I don't have an Elgato, the way I'm gonna upload videos is I'm just gonna Twitch stream and then I'm gonna upload the stream to YouTube. But I wanna make sure that the stream I'm making isn't too long, because if it's too long, then it's not gonna fucking upload. But that's what I'm gonna do in order for me to upload longer videos. So I'm not gonna have my intros, and I'm not gonna be able to cut from now on, since I don't have that kind of editing shit. But you know, it's for the best. I mean, my videos was short as fuck, man. Short as fuck. Anyway, time to get on with the game. Y'all was probably like, Dimitri, play the fucking game. Alright, I am. Immune to self-damage. Yeah, immune. I don't want to be immune to that. I like this gun, but this game is just better. You know what? What is dice roll? What the fuck is that? I never played it before, but I'm gonna play it today. Low. Ooh, this game is loud as fuck. Matter of fact, I'm gonna play from my top bunk. Far away from my top bunk. Far away from the TV. My bad. Grammar. But anyway, what the fuck? Oh, money. This game controls weird though. It kinda feels like Doom or Wolfenstein 3D. If y'all ever played that, y'all never played that. All y'all niggas play is Call of Duty and GTA. And Dying Light. Not that Dying Light is a bad game, but I'm just saying that's all y'all niggas play. Like for real talk. I think I already asked. Wait. So it can only bounce for a limited number of times. Oh, what the fuck is dice? Well, what the fuck is dice roll? Difficulty loot. So what the fuck? Oh, I get it. So it's like, it's kind of like test your luck on Mortal Kombat then. Oh no. This is that bullshit. Oh no. Alright. So, oh my god, y'all. So I guess the dice roll is just a permanent perk on each game. Alright, that's cool. Oh, slow motion. The fuck they mean? Oh shit. I thought it was permanent for the whole game. That would have been cooler actually if it was just permanent the whole game. Good thing I'm not the only one that's slow motion. Can I kill? Can you die already? Yeah, finally, you asshole. This is awesome. James Bond. Speaking of James Bond, 007 Spectre is coming out soon. If y'all ever saw the trailer, y'all would know what I'm talking about. That movie looks fucking epic. Like for real. It don't even feel like Skyfall came out that long ago. I feel like Skyfall came out like last year, but Skyfall came out in 2012. It's weird, but I don't know. The slow motion kind of fucking with me a little bit. Some of my aim is fucked up. I don't know what's going on. But shit, since I'm not editing, I might as well just try to talk as much as I can. But I need to keep my commentary interesting. Alright, level 3. I'm guessing these do more damage or they bounce more. But seeing from this, I don't think they bounce any more than this. Is there any way to get up here? Is there any way to get up here? Is there any way to get up here? There is not a way to get up there. Son of a bitch. Okay. I gotta find another way up. Alright. What the fuck? Wait. I am so fucking... Am I dead or no? Am I dead or no? Ah! I found a secret. I'm surprised that fall didn't kill me. Oh, armor up. Thanks. Well, I found a secret, y'all. And there's no way I'm not getting to level 4. I might even get to level 5 from this shit. Bam. Alright, where's my level 4, bitch? Give me my level 4. No level 4. Oh, yep, level 4. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, that shit looks epic. Nice. Alright, well, time to go up there. I wonder what level 5 is. Oh, one-shot kills? Oh, that's dope. I love this. Yeah, I'm loving this game so far. It's great. This game is awesome. It really is. Well, what is down here? Do I even... Oh, well, fuck. Is there any way to get back? There is no way to get back. I am fucked. Well, YOLO. Is there a way back up? Hell yeah, there is. I'm gonna land on it. Land on. Oh, I still get hurt? Bullshit. Oh well. But I'm going to higher ground, bitch. Ooh, there's all sorts. There's all types of monies down there. Oh shit, oh shit. How did I not take fall damage? Bro, I killed all of these hoes in one hit. That's nice. That feels nice. Just killing bitches left and right, you know. That's all you need in life. To murk niggas, that's all you need. Murking niggas is the best feeling in life. Cause that's all you need. All you need to do is just murk niggas, you know. Shit. Damn, I could've used that health. Well, well. Does jumping make me go faster? You know, I'm gonna get whatever is in here. What's in here? I don't know. Crit chance? Oh, it's crit. Yeah. That's dope. Alright. Well, no other way to get up there. Alice in Wonderland on Oh shit, you either fall so slow or I'm falling slow because there's slow motion. This is bullshit how I still get hurt from that shit. I mean, at least I can still keep my levels, you know, Because if you get hurt by enemy, you like, oh, well, it's the boss and I might die because I have low ass health. But if I could one-shot people, then oh my, this is some new shit. Alright, I've never seen this. Wait, bitch. Wait, bitch. Hold on. Oh, this. Oh, by the way, oh, no. Do I get help from you? Do I get help from you guys? No, stop it. Stop. Wait. Fuck. Oh, fuck you. Damn it. There's nothing wrong with the pistol. The pistol is a good ass weapon. Fuck's sake. Damn it. Alright. No more dice roll. You know what? Nah, I'ma just do a normal game. Yeah. Oh, anyway, I played two runs of this game this morning. I loved it, you know, because why not? I mean, yeah. But anyway, alright, what did I unlock? Difficulty, damage, armor, loot. I don't really. Damn, level up 70 times. Fuck. Find 5 health upgrades in 1 life. Ooh, that's gonna be that bullshit. Beat the game. I ain't never gonna beat this motherfucking. They tripping. The only reason I did dice roll because I didn't do dice roll yet, so I might as well just do it now. Oh, this is a shotgun. Shit look cool though. Rate of fire is on point, y'all. The rate of fire is on point. No, it's not. What if they level me up to level 2 right off the bat? I think they are gonna rank me up to level 2 right off the bat. All I need is one more fucking little pixel of blue and that's it. I just have to not get hit. Wait, bitch. Ah. Ah, blue. Yay. Fuck you. Motherfuckers. I am the Lord of the Harvest. No, I am not. I got nothing on y'all. Y'all can kill me anytime y'all want. Alright. Can I jump over here? No, I cannot. Wow. Did anything? God damn it. Stop falling off. Shit. You fucking prick. You're ugly every fucking day, no? That's a vine, bitch. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. What was that? No, nigga. I'm gonna have the brightness like that. Help. Tilt. But I wasn't holding triangle though. Son of a bitch. Damn, killed him quick as shit. Ah, wait. This kind of reminds me of Paranormal Activity. I was never interested in that game, but I've seen enough of it, and this game reminds me a lot of it. Can I kill any of these? You know what? Fuck it. What do I need to kill? Okay, well that's why. Well, I'm not going down for any of the loot they drop. So, well, it looks like they didn't drop that much anyway. But where's the door? The door. Where's the fucking door? Oh, there's a top floor up in this bitch? Damn it. Can I kill you, bitch? Yes, I can. Wait, hold on, bitch. Oh, I ran right past your ass, bitch. Dead. Next time, I'm just gonna rush through the first level because I need to beat a level on par with the time. I think this increases my rate of fire and damage. Wait, bitch. Wait, bitch. Wait, bitch. What is that? Speed up? I can't afford that anyway, whatever. Oh my god. You shoot yellow fucking fireballs, you assholes. Wait, bitch. Stop. No. You're a thought. You are a thought. They almost got me. Oh shit. You guys are pricks. Get out of the way. Well, the blue shell. Well, it's gonna take out the lead car. Hey, I ain't going nowhere. Get back. Well, anyway, I just gotta help up. That's gonna help. Stage car. Ah, damn it. I took too long. Thick. Oh well. Come on, man. Load. Collect some extra monies. Because I can. Wait, hold on. Wait. Hold on, bitch. Hold on. Lava can't hurt me. Yeah, lava can't hurt me. Wait, bitch. Do not go away. I ain't done with your ass. Wait. Secrets? I don't need this. Why couldn't that be a health up? Why did that have to be like, oh, what the fuck? No, I thought that killed me for a second, boy. I would have been on that bullshit. This shit looks like a boss room. Wait, what the fuck? What was I stuck on, man? 8. Our health stinks. Man. I kinda like the stronger attack power thing. Alright. What is this? How much? I think that's a... Yeah, that's an item. I don't really want to pay for that, because I don't really use the items too much. I'm just going to use this item on the boss and that's it. What's down here? Oh, hold on, bitch. You are made out of fire. You are a prick. I don't fuck with y'all. Alright. Level 4. Even more increased than... Oh shit, that looks like more bullets per spray. That's nice. Oh, this game is so good. Oh. They hurt me by dying. Oh, that's bullshit. No. No. Get away from me. No. Fuck. If that shit would've took away my level 4, boy. But now if I get hit once, I'ma lose my level 4. Oh, I don't want to lose my level 4. I don't want to lose it. Ah, too late. Did I just kill that fucking thing in one hit? Oh, shotgun is OP. Hey, fucking assholes. That'll teach you to take away my fucking level 4, you assholes. But how the fuck am I supposed to... Oh. Like this. What is this? That's an item. I don't want that shit. Oh no, bitch. Wait, level 4. Keep it. Do not lose your level 4. luigiwiiUU, do not lose your level 4, bitch. Matter of fact, instead of losing your level 4, you should get your level 4 up, you know, to level 5. And who the fuck is killing all these people for me? I'm not doing it. Can enemies shoot each other? I mean, that would be good physics. That would, oh, you fucking asshole, you killed me by kamikazeing. You don't do that shit. How do I get through this? How the fuck do I get through this? Do I have to kill everybody? Or is there a door that I just don't see? I think I have to kill everybody. Oh wait, no, I fucking don't. I have to keep going up. Now I just have to not leave the yellow area. Oh, this game is so fucking awesome, man. If y'all don't have it, then y'all should get it. It's free. It's free, so why not? Like, for real, why not? It's not bad. It is not a bad game. So where the fuck is the door? Where the fuck is the dirt? Alright, fine. I'll listen to you. I'll listen to you. I'll listen to you, Tower of Guns. Fuck. Oh, it was down here. That's a weird fucking place to put a door. But anyway, it's time for the battle. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. No. Get away from me. Get away. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm glitched. Y'all. Help. Y'all. I have to... You see, I think this is why there's a restart room button. Because they know your ass is gonna get stuck. Fucking bullshit. Oh, explosive damage. So now, I'm gonna be doing even more damage. Holy shit, can I hit myself? Yes, I fucking can. Alright. Health up. That's it. Yep. New perk, Tunnel Rat. Nice. I didn't find all the secrets. I skipped out on some shit because I didn't feel like finding shit because I'm a lazy. Alright, I'm coming back. Alright. Now. I like the music, by the way. It's nice. Now. Oh no, bitch. Who the fuck are you? Wait a minute, bitch. Oh my god, bitch. Oh, they took away my level 3. You fucking assholes. You better give my shit back. Who the fuck are you? I mean, they took away my... Why do I keep saying that they took away my level 3? It's not level 3, it's level fucking 4. Blah. Alright, at least I'm almost back. I think it's bullshit how they can take away your level ups by you getting hit. Like, of course you gonna get hit. Wait. Alright, I think there's a better way to take this. I can just do this shit until all the bullets are in them torso. Hit. Are y'all dead? Hell yeah, they dead as fuck. I'm glad that I got that speed up. Oh no. Oh, that's a fucking homing bullet, you asshole. Oh no. Oh shit, where the fuck are you assholes coming from? No, bitch. No, bitch. Ah, difficulty down. Help me. Help me. Thank you. Thanks for the difficulty down. I needed that. Ah. These bitches is ruthless. Ah, you motherfucker. Ah. There's no way. I have to get hit. Or no, I don't. Well, that was a lot fucking easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna get hit for sure. But there's no way to get like back up. So is this floor safe? Oh no. The floor is safe, but the room isn't. I gotta be careful up in this bitch. Oh! Oh! You fuckers. Get y'all thirsty asses back before I kill y'all. Cause I'll do it. I'll do it. Wait, wait. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, thanks. I wanna kill you though. What? Oh, extra jump? Oh, I have a double jump now. Wavy. Y'all doing anything? Hell no, y'all not. The fuck y'all doing up there? Nothing. Alright, how much money do I have? What is this? Health up? Yup. Thank you. Alright, I feel good about this one. Oh my god, it's the boss. It's the blue shell. Help me. Oh my god. Oh no, no, wait, yo, quit playing. Hold on. Wait. Oh my god. No. No. That is fucking terrifying. Wait. Where the fuck are you going? You niggas are so scary. Oh no, bitch. Oh no, you are faster than ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. This is too fucking much. Are y'all serious? Yo. Nah, son. Alright, that's it. I'm done. I'm done for today. Well, what did I get? Tunnel rat. Alright. Okay. Well, that's it. See y'all niggas tomorrow or some shit. Tomorrow. Mortal Kombat X about to drop on Monday. Not on Tuesday, but I'm gonna get it on Monday because it's releasing at midnight, so you know, shit. Anyway, peace till tomorrow. So yeah.